Oh, I don't like these trees. I don't like when it...
Yeah, that's a cow.
No!
Yeah, that's a buffalo.
Woo!
Yeah.
He missed it!
He drives.
Woo!
He drives well. What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we're back with another rally reaction.
Sure.
We're super excited to get into this video, guys. But if you're new to us and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down, hit the red subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell. Because we're on the road to 50K. We cannot get there without you guys, alright? So, join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
The cars come out at night.
I know nobody better not be out here.
Even with the light that bright, I still have the nervousness. Like these curves. And, woo! These curves and everything driving at night. That's not... I don't care how bright the light is. You gotta see something. I gotta see.
Oh, I bet that was fun, though. I bet that was fun.
Walked on water.
Park the seat.
Hold it together. Hold it together. Yeah. Take something with you. Take something with you. That would be clean. He would have took a little caution tape with him.
Oh, I don't like these trees. I don't like when it...
Yeah. That's a cow.
No!
Yeah, that's a buffalo.
Woo!
Yeah.
He missed it!
He drives.
Woo!
He drives well.
Oh, God. Oh, the trees. And the cows. Ooh, mercy.
Ooh, that's a clean one, see?
Oh, you saw how he...
Woo! That was nice.
He did that.
Yeah, them turns. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, that's people. Yeah. Ooh, I don't know. He coming down mighty fast. Coming down mighty fast. We gotta jump. Ooh!
That was nice.
I seen the jump coming. That was too much of a straight shoot.
But it was nice though.
Oh yeah.
Lord, I thought he was going straight to them people.
But you can't call it though, man. Sometimes they cars just go out on them.
Move out the way.
Move.
Look, they all smiling. Almost got hit. They just smiling. Oh, he hit a couple people.
Yeesh. Yeah, we inside the car today. Yeah, it's a turn.
I don't like being inside the car.
Yeah, we inside the car today.
This must be
he going fast.
Those small streets. I forgot where they race the Isle of Man.
Yeah, I get what you're coming from. Come on now.
Oh Lord, I don't like being in the car.
Yeah, you the one. You killing it. You the one.
Ooh, I like his shift right behind him.
Yeah, that's better than the lower one. I like that. He got graffiti on his car, look like. That boy, they wrapped it. Oh, okay.
Uh-oh, we in the dirt, baby. I love their excitement. Yes, they say.
They picnicked up, boy. They got their whole picnic set up right there.
He got the kids and everything.
Yeah, he like... Yo, he controlled that like that?
He did. I like when they have the dust follow the car. Woo!
He climbed out.
Oh my God, that was the worst crash.
He climbed out. Babe. Yeah. Okay. Come on, man. I'm not messing with these drivers, bro.
Man, why he put the crashes at the beginning? Because now I'm still thinking about the last crash.
That's what I be talking about.
That was nice.
He did that.
I need to be a judge.
He did. Yeah, they need a judge. These drivers, bro. They be doing their thing.
They need a judge like along the...
Thank God for them walls.
For real, them people.
Woo!
No. Oh, that was the right way.
He did that.
And they leave like it's nothing.
Man, that's the part.
Ooh, somebody was sitting down.
Yo, they hanging off these rails, cheering these folks on, man. Like,
See, I'm the type of person that'll be down there. I mean, up here.
Looking down. Hey, look, I don't think nobody's safe.
Nobody.
These cars go everywhere. Yeah, they go everywhere. And you can't tell what's gonna happen when they're going at the rate they're going. Oh, he got a lot of space. A lot of space. Do you think? Okay.
That's a cakewalk.
Boy, you got fans. You got fans. Do your thing then.
Oh, okay. This one of those little.
I like that. Yeah. The little mini course.
Yeah.
I just love when the cars drive on the side like that. That's just, I like that.
I barely saw the car coming.
Speedy Gonzalez right there. Here, what's the name? Santa Claus say, down. Oh. There you go, baby. Dirt, baby. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Hey, he killed that.
I love that. But
He
can
killed
the
that.
driver see? Because it looked like the smoke was in the car.
I gotta go back and watch that one again.
That was
nice.
hard.
That was hard.
I love how they just jerked the car.
You was supposed to drift, sir. You was supposed to drift.
He took a little shortcut.
That was a quick one.
Now when it's wet, yeah, they some brave souls.
Okay, yeah. This is a crazy one right here. It gotta be. Look at that. Nice.
That was nice.
Woo. This dude is a mad pro, whoever he is. Whenever you see him on the road, ooh. Watch you start driving. I bet you start driving.
I don't know, babe. That was a fence right there. Look like.
They got him landing on his feet. Yeah, we inside of it now. I don't know where he headed to, but okay.
When I'm inside the car, I just be nervous. Okay, now
we got a
that's
steeple.
That's a tight one.
We got a steeple.
It looked like it's going down the hill. Oh, you did nice, babe.
You seen that, boy?
You see that, though?
You seen that, boy?
Huh.
I feel like that's supposed to be a jump. Yes, sir. Okay, I see you standing in the open field.
Now.
Okay.
It sounds like it's going.
It's done.
Oh, okay, because I don't know about that.
Check out the greenery.
Now, I'm about to say
Check out the greenery.
Where we at?
I'm the best overseas driver, Norman Carr and Eddie Devine are second.
I love these little vintage looking cars. I love it.
Yeah, you do?
I do.
They're pretty clean. They're very classical, man. That old school version. Like, when you see these, you know they made for
John
us.
Keatley has borrowed.
You know something I noticed? A lot of the cars that we have been watching, they're driving on the left side. I thought they drive on the right side.
That's crazy you mentioned that. Yeah, you can't.
He still could go. Oh, it was snow. He's
still going.
Ooh, that was a nice jump.
She got a good shot. Ooh, move out the way. Hey, yeah, I'm putting people back, bro. I think I'm gonna be saving lives. So you gotta back up, man.
It's that fatherly instinct.
Oh, snap. See?
Oh,
you see?
Passed them up.
You can't be out.
We in the That's them people that be on the highway that be passing you up, and then they y'all meet up at the light. Going nowhere fast.
Nowhere fast. Yes, sir, bro. Man, again, another crazy one, a banger.
Yes.
This is it, though. Like,
Yes.
this the one. I liked this one.
Look, the editing on this video He know how to get you up out your seat.
I don't remember exactly the timestamp, but if you guys, I think it's like around the middle of this video, if you go back and catch the car in slow motion, man, it's gonna take y'all out your seat. Like, I'm going back and watch it right now as soon as I get off the cam.
Yeah, that was
as soon as I get off.
That was a real nice one.
Yeah, he killed that one.
But guys, we hope you all enjoyed your time with us today.
Definitely, yeah.
Like this video, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. We have enabled our super thanks. If you would like to support the channel that way, we'll see y'all soon.
Peace.
Peace.